What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is the 26th of May and it's a very special day for us because today is cultural food night. Actually it was supposed to be on 27th, but then we are making it on 26th because we are too busy on Monday. But then yeah, it's cultural food night over here and we are cooking chicken curry and dal for all foreigners, like people who are staying in this ECU village. And here is the stuff. We got some chicken over here, we got some naan, that's roti, and let's see what's there in this fridge. We got some chicken again, we got some coriander leaves, we got some naan, we got some roti, we got some yogurt, lot of yogurt, and we got some ginger garlic paste. This is garlic paste, this is ginger paste, this is coriander chutney. And what else do we have? The dal is getting ready over here. We have dal inside these, and let's see what's over here. We literally got this trolley, and we got some rice, got some dal inside again. We got some, what is this, desi ghee, we got some onions, and this is oil. Yeah, today is going to be a super duper success.
Ain't it funky?
Alright, so we have come to the East Tower. This is the kitchen for today. This is where we're gonna cook. That's Hussein, that's Kaustubh, that's all the stuff. We got some stuff over there as well. This is our kitchen. Yeah, all set. Alright, so we have started making. Hussein is cutting these onions. Hussein, show your face. Okay. All set. I'm making the paste over here. So far so good. Yeah. Alright, so we are almost done. We got, Hussein is making the dal, Kaustubh is busy with the chicken, that's the chicken over there. We got rice over here, we got rice in this one as well. So far so good. We literally use the whole bottle of ghee. Alright, so we are almost done. We also have Logan with us to help here. Right now we are using this flag. We are putting it on the wall. Yeah, let's go. Logan is using this tape. So far so good. Alright, so we got the flags in place. That's the Indian flag, that's the Australian flag. Yeah. Dal is almost cooked. We got the chicken over here. Even this thing is almost cooked. Alright, so we are done cooking. These guys are having it over there. If you guys can see, they are getting. Atinder, how is it?
Too good, bro. Too good.
Too good. Thanks, man. But the thing is, we are done with the chicken. There's no chicken left. Chicken curry is over, so Kaustubh is just hogging. Alright, so I think we need to just start. Asli, did you try it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
So I think we just need to start eating. Alright, so we are almost done. This is Logan. Logan helped us a lot.
Yo.
And Logan, how was it?
It was beautiful. You guys did everything awesome, from the curry to the dal to even the bread. You guys just absolutely nailed it.
What was the favorite one? What did you like?
Oh, the chicken curry. It's just
You loved it?
loved it. Absolutely loved it.
Did you try the naan?
Oh, the naan. Oh,
Yeah. And the dal?
it just went down too easy. That's the problem. There wasn't enough.
Seriously, are you serious about
Yeah,
that?
of course I'm serious.
So in short, this cultural night was a success.
Oh, absolutely. Massive success. Big turnout from the village. Smashed the feud. There was nothing, no leftovers. So, you know, awesome.
Yes.
Not much from us. Success.
Thank you so much, Logan.